Good evening, everybody. Let me trades I had open the other day. I think it was Friday or something. One was 3-1. Whatever the hell that was. Closed down several. I left a few open to run. I wanted you guys to see them. I'm going to close them back. Close them down here soon. All right. How's everybody doing this evening? Sorry I came on twice already. And yeah, we came on once, and then I did a training video. Market Watch will be doing some live trades. Live trading. 3/3/24. The safety trade.com. Market Watch live trading. Good enough for me. Let's go down here. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Hope you all having a great evening. Getting a little tired. That's what happens when you've been putting in. Jesus. Dang on, well, put it this way. Me and Keith talked, what did he say? Like 5.5 hours this morning or some shit. On the phone, our coder, Keith, the great coder, the greatest coder in the history of the world. Keith. All right, about ready to go live. About to actually see you guys. So let's go over to here. Let's go over to here. Let's do this. There isn't any live video. I think there is. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. TikTok's acting funny. Kind of weird. Oh, well. What's up, Crystal? What's up, Zealous? What's up, Bradford? Good evening, Ted Parker. Good evening, Julius. Good evening, Caleb. Yeah, I would be too, Caleb. It's going to be fantastic. Good evening, Dr. Matt Spangler. What's up, Dr. Matt? Good evening, Larry Cooper. Good evening, Stevie Haynes. Good evening, Jaraz 12,000. Good evening, George Hyde. What's up, Brian? All right, I think that's everybody. You need to say hi. What's up, Tanny B? Cardi B. All right. Oh, boy. What do we got going on? Exciting news about the... let me get started here. We can actually get on the treadmill. All right. What's up, Kimberly Harrington? Good evening. I've been on a few long phone calls with Keith, too. He's helped me a ton. Ha! I hope not for 5.5 hours, Dr. Matt, but yeah, maybe. All right. So what we're looking at here is some trades. If you guys don't know what trades are, it's on MetaTrader 4. Yes, they're still good. I talked to their customer service the other day. Everything's perfect with them if you're already in Eagle FX. This is the day of the trade, time of the trade, type of the trade, size of the trade symbol, US 30, SPX, and some NASs. I left one NAS running. I'm about to close down some of these SPX and leave one open and one US 30. Yeah, I knew that was going to fall. What else? Let's see. Profit, of course. Price, of course. These are just your whatever swap fees and such. And then there's the trades right here. And I'm going to close down a few of those right now. Anybody have any questions? Those I'll show you why we took them and how we. Well, you can clearly see buy stop right there. I mean, that's why I took the fucking trade. Hello. But anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. What's up, Peter P? What's up, Griffey? What's up, Brian? Good evening, Larry Cooper. All right, so let's take this back off. Unless someone has questions over that, let me know. All right, next. We don't care about that. Peter P. First things first. Maybe second things seconds. I don't know. I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with the channel. Bree is not a financial advisor. Keith is not a financial advisor. My brother Mike is not a financial advisor. So please type yes if you understand. Oh, H-Bar, you're Mariah? What's up, H-Bar? Oh, you want me to look for H-Bar? No, we're not going to do that and say good evening first. Good morning for Clayton. Good evening for us. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Ted and Annie. Good evening, Annie. What's up, Ted? All right, so definitely not a financial advisor. Woo. Next, we happen to have to be, our system is federally protected by the United States of America's government. We have a trademark. As far as I'm aware, we're the only trademark trading system in the world that has a Class 41 trademark for the field of coaching and the field of blah, 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 and generational wealth. Love it. It isn't a trademark patent pending or a registered or trademark pending. It is a registered trademark. This is the trademark. That's me. That's the system. That's the United States government. Pretty fucking cool if you ask me, but whatever. I'd be very proud of that when you go telling people what we do. Now, as far as why we're in these trades, again, quite clear. I mean, I don't know what more I can tell you. Buy, stop, green, green, green. More importantly, the sniper. Zoop, 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 green, green, broken back. Up she went. That's US 30. NAS, same thing. Let me check the 1 hour real quick. 1 hour NAS. 1 hour US 30. Let me see if SPX could have got it. Yeah, that could have called that trade. Damn, Keith's going to kill me. All right, I'll show you why and how that worked out. Fuck. No, you can't catch every damn trade, I guess. But nonetheless, they were all buy stops. The logo had formed. This is how you can get those rules implemented for you. This is the 1 hour. This is your 15-minute, what it looks like. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. Blue line down. Pink pivoted. Crossed up. That's your NAS buy. Here's your SPX, exact same thing buy. US 30 is a little sloppier, but it did the same thing. There you go. By the way, the 15-minute ones. Oh, and by the way, ta-da! My favorites were those 1 hour buy stops. They all made money on Friday, but the 15-minute also printed money for us, just so we're clear. Yay. We'll come back to those later. All right. Hopefully those trades made sense to you. I'll go over the rules later. Am I going to be? No, I'm not going over futures. I'll go over Nadex options, binary options they're called, or I love the knockouts, the other versions of those things. But no, I don't know anything about futures as far as trading them on Thinkorswim or trading them on Trader. My brother who just started knows more than I do on that. I know shit about that. Look at how gorgeous. You guys should all take a picture of these trades, whether it's NAS or SPX. Picture perfect. Exactly our logo. Exactly the entrance. Wait till you start seeing those US oil ones. Holy shit. Yeah, system works with futures. My God, people make shit tons of money. Tommy makes, what, $61,000 a trade on future trading? Yes. We have dozens of people in the Discord using futures. We have Tradeovite being E-minis and whatever the fuck those things are all the time. Who else? There's a lot of people that use the system of futures. All you have to do is match up the symbols to the symbols of your futures. That's all. 100% yes. It works on anything. Anything you can chart. Speaking of that, I think I pointed out exactly what that is enough. Let's do our reads. Starting with gold. Yeah, Peter P makes a shit ton of money with futures. Absolutely. Look at gold. Beautiful. Damn, we got some beautiful gold calls coming up. All right, here we go. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, gold. Forming a 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop, gold. I think it needs to drop more on the 1 hour too, but that's just me. Yeah, it does. Forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, gold. Yeah, it's just too high. Let it come down first before I enter gold. That's all you need to know. We'll come back to the big three, US 30, NASDAQ, SPX a little bit later. EUR USD is the opposite of UDCHF, USD, CHF. So whatever I call for this is the opposite. 1 minute sell stop to the 1 minute blue line. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. 30-minute buy stop. EUR USD, 4 hour buy stop. Daily to the blue line buy stop. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line EUR USD. GBP JPY. Oh Lord, we still gotta get that room open. Don't get me started. Oh shit. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line already happened. 5 minute blue line. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop. Nope, 1 hour sell stop. Forming a 4 hour daily buy stop. That's GBP JPY. Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin is up to. Pretty damn good. 1 minute buy. Let me see something real quick though. Hold on. I'm going to go ahead and swap out Ethereum and Bitcoin. 1 minute sell stops to their blue line. Bitcoin forming a 5 minute buy stop. Bitcoin. Let me see where the 30 is. 1 hour. Looks like she's still going to blow though. 1 hour up already there on the 4 hour. Already done. I mean, you guys are so late with Bitcoin. What do you want from me? Look at it. Woo! Called that shit. I was actually wrong when I called it for the first buy. It was actually back here. Yeah, 26,000 here. I looked at it with my brother-in-law the other day. Boom. Anywho, it doesn't matter. You're too late. Ethereum. Let's see. House of Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Or I like better the 5 minute buy stop Ethereum. Bullshit. 1 hour's got to come down a little bit to reload. It looks like for the 1 hour, 4 hour buys, I wouldn't fuck around with it. Again, weekly and again, monthly buy. There's nothing you can do with Ethereum. Either you're in it or you're not. XRP in the house. Let's see. XRP. A 1 minute sell XRP. I like the 5 minute buy better. XRP. Love the 30 minute buy XRP. I love the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop XRP. Daily sell XRP, monthly buy. I love XRP for the month. Amazon. 1 minute doesn't matter. Let's see, 5 minute forming buy. Amazon always goes up. I love it whenever they give us a buying opportunity, which was 30 minute, 1 hour, too late. Yeah, I wouldn't touch Amazon. If I see anything, maybe a 1 minute sell stop to reload the 15 minute, 1 hour buy, I would just trade Amazon. US oil. Boy, do we have US oil. Holy shit, do we have US oil's number. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line, US and UK oil. Forming a 15 minute, forming a 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. 4 hour buy stop. But let's swing out here for a second. Let's have some fun. We're all done, blah, blah, blah. We called out everything. You're good. Okay, here we go. This is the new signal room for our oil. What you're seeing on those green lines are not my call out. Well, they kind of are. These are computer generated with not any input from Bree, from me, or from Keith, or anyone associated with our channel. These are generated strictly by code. How many times? 14 times on buys it was correct. We're currently gathering up the sells. It was 100% on both. 14 call outs, 14 wins. Holy shit, it's amazing. It's fucking amazing. Trade after trade, called out to perfection. Here's another one right here. I mean, and you don't even have to do anything. What people don't understand, which you soon will, is that these trades can be entered in on the trade itself. When you receive the signal, as long as you get in there within 5 minutes or so, you will absolutely be able to trade the, hold on. You'll be able to trade off the signal. Something I've never been able to do, wanted to do before, actually. Hold on a second. Okay, our rules are out for the oil signal room. They're separate and they're special. There's literally one step, the only step to do. Only trade the exact symbol U.S. oil spot, WTI light, sweet crude oil future, spot commodity CFD, FXCM. That's the only one you're allowed to use. It's in TradingView. Once you receive your oil safety trade alert, make sure you verify the trade. All you have to do is go to the 15-minute chart, see if there's a buy stop. Make sure the sniper's in position and take the trade. Holy shit. That's all you have to do. How do you enter the trade? Warn you about sharing this shit. Don't do it. Direct demo market only. You can do a market order now for the first time in my history of over 2 years being on TikTok, over a year and a half being on YouTube. I'm now allowing direct market orders. If you can get to our trade that we call within 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, you can do a direct market order. Does everybody understand you can now do on the oil signals direct market order? 7s for yeses, 9s for nos. What's up, Joe Biga? What's up, Blue Tide Acrylics? What's up, Robel? Doing very good, Tom. Hope you're doing well too. Okay. If you don't want to do market orders because everyone's so scared now. Glad you guys see that. Good. Is this? You will see. You can go to the lower time frame, and I'll explain it right now. You can go to the lower time frame and trade the 30-second or 1 minute whenever it shows a buy stop. I'll show you how that looks. Make sure the half circle forms. Make sure your pink line sniper is all in position. Keep one open, close one down. And then possible trade profits. Some of these trades that it calls out are up over, I think the most was 450 pips. Maybe it was 650 pips. I forgot. We went over it in an earlier video. My rule on any take profit, don't be a pig. Pigs get slaughtered. Stop losses, you always put it at the pivot point. Look down. Look down and to your left. I hate to say look to the left. Put your stop loss slightly below there. Trading times. The trades are only going to happen between 14:30 and 18:30 Forex time. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits. So let's take it the rules in real life. This is so fucking cool. What you're seeing is generation from a computer code that the great Keith Palmer wrote. Look at what he did. We literally are getting every pip possible, and we're going to get some more action on some of the trades that didn't catch. I'm always tweaking the code. I will always make this better and better, but these call-outs are psychotically good. Look at this day. Look at it. Fuck me. Caught all of that. Gorgeous. So what do we look for? You verify this trade, and let me show you. Watch what happens. When this trade happens and is called out, you'll get a signal in the Discord. Then you will come over to here, and you can go to the 30-second chart. Yes, I'm allowing trading for 30 seconds. I fought it for a year, ever since we've been over here, maybe 8 months, whatever it's been on TradingView. We're allowing to do it as long as you see this setup right here. Blue should pull down, pink and purple must. You'll see a buy stop on the 30-second. Broken back doesn't matter, it only helps. Going to the blue line only helps. And of course, up she goes. So say you miss our signal in your 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever it is late, and you don't catch the signal live. Just go down to the 30-second or 1 minute and look for a buy stop. Follow all your rules. You'll still put your buy stop over here, heading up to the blue line, blah, 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 blah. Does everybody understand the difference? You can either enter the trade on a market order, or you can use a pending order with a buy stop. That'll be done on a 30-second or 1 minute level. Does everybody understand that? Yes or no? Thank you, Blue Tide. Will you do the same stuff with your business? Everybody on TikTok should see the work he does. The cool looking little blue thing in the bottom left there, that is from him. Ted Parker says yes. Yeah, market crazy sometimes. I know, right? Yeah, you wait until we get gold finalized, and you doubly and triply wait until I go back to tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 with the coding ability of Keith has grown exponentially. So that means I'm allowed to make better entrances and better trades for you guys. Holy shit. Now that I don't have any holdup on the sniper, which we had for a while there, he couldn't code it because it was just fucked up, and he fixed it all because Keith is that kind of guy. Keith is that guy. Keith is that guy. I know he really is. So yeah, when I get time to and I even got more code coming for oil. And you wait to see what we do for gold, Kim. Holy shit. The signals are just going to improve. They are 100% win rate, 11 for 11 in January, 13 for 13, including 2 gold in February. So we're 24 for 24, 100% win rate. And we're going to get better. Hopefully we get to this point where you guys don't have to make any decisions. You can just do market orders when the code tells you to. I'm wanting gold to get there. Oil is there. I will not stop until our 3 symbols, 3 indices are done. NAS, SPX, US 30. I'm going to get it to where you guys can do market order. And I'm going to tell you right now, with the Holy Grail trade, with the 3rd one being last, you wait and see how that works out for you guys. It's literally, I would probably say about once a week, you're going to see a free money trade where they just give it to us. They're going to give us free money because 2 of them are going to bounce up. I'll know when the 3rd one's going to do it because of the opposites that are on the other symbols that we're using. And man, we are going to get money. Holy shit. Oh, you say that. Well, fuck you. I've already given you a market order trade on oil. Currently, you're looking at it. Dun, 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 dun. So it's coming. It takes forever. Oh my goodness. If you guys don't know what coding is and how to write code and then making it do what I see, that's fucking insane. Evidently what I see is really, really hard to code. Really, 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 really hard to code. So all these green lines you're looking at are all correct trades. There's 14 of them from the first of the year. And then there's an additional, oh my God, it doesn't stop. It never misses. Like I was showing you guys earlier today, here's your first time up over on this one. Watch. Look at this shit. Just watch in amazement of what you're about to see here. And it even gets better when we go back. Let me go back. Watch. There's more. There's more. Here's the first one over right there. So watch this. From here, I don't think you guys can appreciate what you're seeing. And yes, it calls downs. We just don't have it act. Well, we have the downs activated. I just don't have the rolls activated. Look. All those green lines are correct trades. If you'd have took the first one down here and then all the way up to here, it's over 450 pips. And I don't think that's the first one. I think we have one. Yeah, we have one before that right there. Look at that. Every one of those is the correct trade each day. Doot, 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 doot. And actually, I'm surprised today didn't call one. We might have started the code too late for it today, though, because it was after hours, so it probably didn't catch. But yeah, there you go. Every time. So yeah, that's already active now. Live market trading, no more pending orders. You can go into the trade right away if you desire. It's killing me. Look at that. Called it right before that huge up candle. Look what it's doing. I want to really get to blow your minds. But in reality, it's off the 5-minute, but we're using the 15-minute for our thing. Watch what it's doing. Da, da, da. In my mind, I'll show you what it's doing so you guys can get a hint. Da, 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 da. Here's your fill in the gap trade on a 1 hour. Then go ahead and look when you go to the 30-minute. It's literally calling out 30-minute buy stops over and over again. And it's calling out 15-minute buy stops with 100% accuracy. To me, I don't understand. I don't know what else you guys could want. But wow, these signals are psychotically good. There's your first one of that run right there. You can go back again. I just don't know. I can't brag enough. So if you ever want to know about oil, well, I would go right into our signal room and take a look. It doesn't miss. Here's one right here. 15-minute entry, called right here. Zoom, up she goes. Crazy. Even I'm surprised at how good they are. And I wrote the fucking code. Why? Keith wrote the fucking code. I made the order of operations for it. Just amazing. Anywho, all this technology that we have for oil, plus an additional one, there will be a 2-hour one being called soon. And then there's going to be, you'll see, it's just never going to stop. So with these signals that are going out, we're going to apply everything to gold. And then we're going to apply everything to the 3 indices. And then we're going to go after EUR, USD, and GBP, JPY. I don't feel like starting fresh with those 2 yet. So we might be a couple weeks out, maybe 3 weeks out. Hell, plus we're going to be going to Vegas soon. I don't know. But we'll get to it. But we're just a little busy at the moment doing all this other shit for you guys. Crazy. But anyhow, so every line you see, green line, is computer generated. I just can't believe a code can trade. I'm going to go ahead and say as good as I do, maybe better. I am actually shocked. But the breakthrough came when the great Keith Palmer, when he was able to fix and correct the sniper and make it run properly. And then he opened up to me the ability to use the sniper with these trades. I was like, oh, fuck yeah, we got... Bree and I used to have a saying that we had the AI buy the ball hairs. I don't know how to say that without saying that. So that's what she would say that all the time. Oh, you got that? Because, you know, the way I trade gave me an upper hand for a lot of years on how to, where it's going to go. But now that we can code that into this to make signals for all of you, crazy. It's fucking insane to think this is happening. All right. Rules make this possible. Rules make this possible. What do I mean? Yeah, well, what am I saying? Rules make this possible. We have rules. You should read your rules, follow your rules, and only trade according to the rules. Everybody here knows what this is. If you're new or not, I don't know what to tell you. You can literally see green, 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 red, green, green. That's what you get for your base plan. If you have the sniper, you can clearly see blue line went under, the purple crossed. Up she went. Pop. Oh, but that only happens there. No, it happened every time here. Look at NAS. Look at NAS today. Let's go down here. This same exact setup. The same exact setup that happened on gold 15-minute a while ago happened 2 days ago or Friday right here. Print this picture and trade this. Yes, I understand. Oh, you've got to signal Kevin and blah, blah. I don't give a shit. You don't need it. Look, there she blows, and wait, it gets better. Not only is this a green, 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 red, green, green buy stop with the sniper, take a picture of this. Also, look at SPX. This is SPX. No, it's not the same thing as NAS, but look, the same drawing. SPX, NAS. SPX, NAS. SPX, NAS. They can't even get original with their drawings anymore. There's NAS, SPX, and then if we go back to gold, same fucking thing. I couldn't believe the rules were that easy. Thought I was missing. I know, isn't it great, Kim? Does everyone here see that gold's 15-minute that I showed you just a minute ago, NAS that I'm showing you now, and SPX I'm flipping back and forth on, are the exact same thing? I mean, how much? Look, watch. Here we go. There's NAS up here. Let's put SPX down here. Let's change this to 15 minutes. Let's go to current. And let's take a look in a book. Here we go. Above, NAS, 15-minute. Below, SPX, 15-minute. They're the exact same effing trade, down to the purple line crossing, down to the purple line crossing, down to the pink line crossing, down to the green, 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 red, down to the blue being pulled back, down to the blue being pulled back. Look at it. Here's our logo. The exact, everyone says, oh, SPX, NAS, and US 30 are all different. And then I show them this. There's US 30, the same thing. Then I show them SPX, and then I show them NAS, all the same thing. All of them the same thing. All three indices are 100% exact. Oh, not on smaller time frames. No shit. That's how we make money. Matter of fact, we can even make money on the fact that one will break earlier than the other. And trust me when that's coming. So, yeah. I don't know if you want to believe what you see with your own eyes, but I would take a picture of SPX. I would take a picture of NAS. I would take a picture of US 30. I would print those pictures out and only trade when you see this exact setup, whether it's 15-minute, whether it's 1 hour, whether it's gold, whether it's oil, whether it's EUR USD. If you only trade this, you will win 99.9% of the time. Why not 100? A, humans fuck up everything. B, God can do what he wants to do. Other than that, the system's flawless. Print and laminate. Correct, Raider Trader. Absolutely correct. Follow the rules and print money. Absolutely, Robel. You know Robel's been printing money. No, we're not done. No. Fine, we'll be done. Damn. Moody little thing. I forgot and left the stupid thing on for a minute. And it counted 30 minutes against me. So then I walked the extra 70 or whatever it was. And now it shuts off at 100 minutes. I don't want to start it back. All right. Made the call outs. Told you all about the Discord room. You can't miss the rules now. If you go to the Discord room in US Oil Tier 1, the rules are there. Tier 2, the rules are there. So no one can say, well, I didn't get the rules, Kevin, even though we emailed them out to you, even though they're posted in the Discord. Now they're posted in the fucking oil Discord channel. Ha! Now say you go, well, I can see the mess, I can see the order, but I don't have the rules. The fuck you don't. People drive you nuts. So yeah, we put them in there so no one can possibly miss the rules. And watch, we're still gonna have people. Oh, I don't see them. Looked at pinned messages. That's all I can tell you. I pinned the message to each channel. So now, you all started out at Tier 1 for $150 a month for 5 signals. Bree and I free upgraded you to 10. Y'all started out with just Tier 1 for $150 a month with 10. Then we opened up gold and gave just at the middle of the month. It was just testing it out. We opened up gold last month, had 2 correct signals. We opened up oil today. These are all free add-ons. Some hater out there is like, oh, there's nothing for free. Yeah, these are for free. You pay your $150 a month, you don't have to pay anymore. I'm going to extend that for this coming month, but that's it. At the end of this month in March, when you're done, when March is done, I have to start charging $150 a month for gold. If you're not in tier 1, 2, or 3, we're going to charge. So if you're not in tier 1, at least by the time we open gold, or we open up end of March to April, and we get into April, gold's $150 a month. Euro will be $150 a month. GBP JPY will be $150 a month if we ever get that one done. US oil will be $150 a month. So if you're in tier 1, you get all the tier 1s for free. Tier 2, the same thing. Oh, but there's nothing for free. You're charging. I just showed you oil, which is a free add-on that never missed in 14 trades from the first of the year, all computer generated, right? And there's probably about 8 or 10 sell stops on top of that too that never missed either, by the way. We're 100% win rate on the sells also for US oil. And it's free to you guys. Stay in tier 1. You can always go to tier 2 or go from tier 3 to tier 1, or you can go from tier 1 to tier 3. Feel free. This will be a closed group, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. If these oils work out like they have been and they continue to do, God blesses us. If we continue with the 24-0, we have 24 wins with 0 losses. And actually, there's one other win I put in there manually I didn't take because there was one win that only went up that was neutral. So I gave you a manual trade that I didn't even count, by the way. So you actually got 25 wins this month, but I'm not counting it. Just 24. And I'm only counting US 30 trades, not counting NAS. So you can, or SPX, you can triple that number. So instead of being 24, we're at least 65, 70 positive trades, 70-0 first 2 months. Can you imagine? And there you go. Everybody's already in your US oil. If you paid for it, you're in it. The rules are right there. The signals will be generated starting immediately. I think we just missed that one because we started a little late. But it will generate the signals all month long for us. All right. Went over all those things. Remember, if you're new here, to speak up. Remember that we have to unlearn everything in order to relearn. That's why the beginners have such good luck. It's because when they join, they don't have any of the silliness that we all had coming in. They just thought that they didn't know any better, and it just worked out. So they didn't have to unlearn anything. They could just start to relearn. In order to master the system, teach it to somebody. You'll learn it yourself. We are senior store ambassadors. Literally, we're top 50 store at one time. I think we're still probably even higher than that now. Stan is nothing more than a online store, just like Shopify. They have thousands upon thousands of people using their services, and we're a top 50 store, if not higher. I bet you we're higher. We have 3 add-ons. We have an H&H scanner that's free with the scanner rooms. We have the sniper add-on, which I've been talking about all night. That's $150 a month. The scanner rooms are $50 a month. Totally optional. If you want to get them, get them. And the signal tiers, I already talked about too much, 150, 250, and 350. We do have an affiliate program. If you want to sell things for us or through us, only for the system, that's all it's available, but it is there. Me and Bree's goal, and I'm sure Keith's goal too, is we have a goal to reach each and every one of you to help you out the best we humanly can to succeed at trading. But we know for a fact that we can't reach everybody. But I can also know for a fact that we are your best chance at succeeding at trading. Okay? You're welcome, Ted Parker. All right. Does anybody have any questions? TikTok, speak up. If you don't, I'm going to go ahead and roll over to YouTube for a minute. Does anybody have any questions over anything that's trade related? Feel free. Okay, clown boy. This is what you get when you come on here talking bullshit. See ya. Okay. Thank you, Peter P. You beat me to it, Peter P. That's funny. All right. These are my trades that are open. I'm going to go and pop down a few of these right now. I'd rather not go into the details of what those are, but hold on. SPX. Let's see. We got doop, doop, doop. Let's see right here. I took some money out of this account, but I still have a chunk in there because Eagle FX told me that they are 100% confident what they were. Oh, okay. Let's close one. Let's close two. Let's leave that NAS and SPX going, and we're going to close this third one here. Okay. And that's good enough. Yeah, we'll close one. I'll leave one open. Yeah, why not? Okay. And that's that. I'll leave these three open. I have my, let's make sure those are still locked in. Take profits. Let's go down to here. Yeah. Let me go over here. Sorry, give me just 1 second. No, I knew we closed that down. Hold on. Let me get this one too. All right. Yeah, the NAS one's still there, but SPX is too. Nope. Good thing we're checking. All right, so my stop loss is now my take profit. It's a guaranteed take profit. I'm going to let these things run. If they keep running for the next month, well, we'll be really happy in Vegas, won't we? But if they keep running for a week or a day, I'm going to let them run. We'll see how they do. Got to watch them. Thanks, Peter P. All right, TikTokers, got to go over to YouTube. Have fun. Have a good night. God bless. YouTubers, any questions before I go? YouTube, any questions? YouTube, any questions? We are doing a beginner's training class tomorrow at 1. We are doing advanced training tomorrow at 2:15. I do have a meeting with a broker tomorrow, and I do have a meeting with another one-on-one tomorrow. So that day is full, and I'm done with that fucking shit. Thank God it's every other week now. I'm not doing it every week. Fuck that. Again, I foresee this being a closed group. Once the accuracy of these signals get out to the masses, they'll start doing some advertising. I want us to get to 1,000 members. Once I have 1,000 members in the signal, we're going to close the group down. I'll be doing private lives with you guys through the Discord. We will no longer be on TikTok or YouTube. We haven't had too many haters come through lately, but I don't like it. I'm just going to keep it a closed group. So you have family or friends, you'll be able to refer people in. Yep, definitely don't forget Bree and Keith. They deserve everything. And of course, God deserves everything. I'm nothing but a humble servant of God. I give him all the credit. He deserves it, everything. All right. We went through everything I can go through. Giving you guys everything we got. Again, Lord willing to work out. Yes, thank you, Raider Trader. You too. You all have a great night. God bless. Probably talk to you way too early in the morning tomorrow. We'll see. All right. Night, guys. God bless. See y'all.